Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, your go-to channel for all things tech troubleshooting. In today's video, we're diving into how to fix Samsung TV error code 110. If you're seeing this error on your screen, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Error code 110 can be caused by a variety of network-related issues. It might be due to a weak Wi-Fi signal, incorrect network settings, or even a problem with Samsung servers. Let's go through the troubleshooting steps one by one. First, let's check your network connection. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to the Settings menu, then Network, and selecting Network Status. If your TV is not connected, select Network Settings and follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Ensure you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Next, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. If your TV is far from your router, the signal might be weak. Try moving your router closer to the TV or using a Wi-Fi extender. Placing the router in a central location and elevated position can help improve signal strength. Another tip is to restart your router. Unplug it, wait for about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can resolve temporary network issues. If you're still seeing the error, it could be due to incorrect network settings. Let's reset your TV's network settings to default. Go to Settings, then General, and select Reset Network. Confirm the reset and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, the issue might be on Samsung's end. Check if Samsung servers are down by visiting their support website or checking online forums. If none of these steps work, try updating your TV's software. Outdated software can cause connectivity issues. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. Lastly, if you're still experiencing issues, contact Samsung support for further assistance. There might be a more specific problem with your TV that needs professional help. Conclusion. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Samsung TV error code 110. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.